Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make something really epic for you. I'm going to show you 2 ways of making your own poached eggs in the Thermomix. They're 2 completely different methods and we're going to tackle each of them and I'll give you some great tips along the way, so let's get started. The first method is actually really simple. All you need to do is pop some water into your Thermomix mixing bowl. You're going to add in the simmering basket and then we're going to add in large eggs. We're talking about large eggs, not smaller or medium eggs. This works for large eggs. If you have smaller eggs at home, and this can be up to 4 eggs at the same time, I would say, you might need to adjust the cooking time a little bit because smaller eggs will cook a bit faster, so you may actually need to shave off a couple of minutes of this cooking time. I'm literally going to pop the lid on and I'm going to turn on my timer and then cook them. We're not actually cooking them, we're only going up to 70 degrees. With these large eggs, I'm going to go around 20 minutes on 70 degrees. You could also go on 60 minutes for 60 degrees, but I find this one's a lot faster and works a lot easier for me. So I'm going to pop this on and I'm going to show you what that looks like later on. Right, this is the moment of truth where we are going to test our first method. This is going to be hot, by the way, because you have just taken this out of, well, it's not boiling water, but hot water. And you're literally just going to take the top and peel that off slightly. You don't want to completely disintegrate it, so literally just going to take the top a little bit like that, and this is going to be hot in your hands, so make sure you're fast at that. And you're just going to take the whole egg and just slide it out like that, okay? This should give you a really good consistency for poached egg, which is exactly what that's going to be like. If you like yours ever slightly more done, you can increase the cooking time by about 2 minutes for large eggs. This will make them a little bit more firm, okay? But you can also leave it as this is. This is totally up to your individual taste. So this is the consistency we're striving for. By the way, I apologize for the magpies. There seems to be a magpie fight right now outside while I'm serving up my breakfast. And this is what you will get. It's about a liquid poached egg that is perfect for eggs benedict, soaking up all of that extra juice and going in with that muffin. It's wonderful, exactly what I want for a poached egg. Though I don't eat any poached eggs right now, this is something I'll be having when I'm not pregnant anymore. Now, if you like yours a bit more cooked, like I say, with a large egg that comes from the fridge, increase the time by another couple of minutes. Don't do too much more because otherwise your egg will be cooked through and we don't want that. So now on to hack number 2. Now for this one, you actually have to pre-boil your water. I've pre-boiled it in my kettle, popped it in here. I'm going to turn it on for another 2 minutes to make sure it is actually on temperature. And I'm going to heat it up again on Varoma. While I do that, I'm going to prepare my silicone muffin molds. Now I actually have these on my shop, so you can get them in the link in the description below. I literally just add in a tiny bit of oil, just because you want to make sure that they don't stick. Just use a little bit of a oil spray or olive oil, whatever you like, and just gently brush the sides so that you make sure they don't stick. Then you take your eggs and you actually crack them in. Literally just crack them and then just pop them inside your muffin mold. You don't have to use all eggs and all holes, it doesn't matter, totally up to you how many people you feed and how hungry you are. And you just pop them right in. I'm gonna go for 3 eggs actually, just to show you what that looks like. There you go. And then all you need to do is put this dish into the Varoma. I've got my Varoma tray ready. I'm just gonna make myself some space. There you are. Got my Varoma tray ready. Open it up. Take the molds. On the sides there's a little grip. Pop them in here. Close the lid off. Once the timer is off, we're going to put this on top and then we're going to cook this until our eggs are perfectly poached. You can see the instructions for the timers depending on what eggs you have in the description below, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second. So it's done now, cooking time's over. Another moment of truth. This is now with steamed poached eggs, basically. This is extremely hot, by the way. You may want to use an oven glove to remove that because it isn't cold. Now I've got myself a little muffin that I'm going to slice up. I've actually sliced it up already. And I'm going to take a spoon. It should be fairly simple to remove this now because you've used some of the oil. So literally just slot in your spoon and then you can you're gonna take that out very, very quickly. We can open it up. That, to me, looks like a really perfectly poached egg. And that's what it will look like. You can obviously also lift it out and drop it upside down so it looks a little bit more pretty, because then you won't get the edges. But that is a perfectly poached egg. After 6 minutes, cooking it on Varoma in my silicone muffin molds. That's your hack number 2. So it's totally up to you what you do at home, how you like your eggs. If you like them a tiny bit firmer, pop them in the muffin mold. It's also a very easy job. Or whether you like them as whole eggs poached on your toast or on whatever you like it actually. I'm totally up for that. It looks really, really wonderful. And I hope you guys enjoy that. Make it at home, try it out. Let me know in the comments how you're getting on. And I'll see you guys next time for another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ring that little bell so you always get these cool videos first hand. Bye bye.